I'm in a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear defrost. So this will turn on your rear defrost, and then you can turn on the front defrost by going to either this setting or this setting. So this setting is now blowing air out of this front vent as well as air towards your feet, and then this one would just if you want only the windshield to have air. And then this rear control, if you can see in the camera, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when this rear is on, it's activating those heating mechanisms that'll start melting any ice that might be building up. And to turn this off, this now has turned off the rear defrost. And to turn off the front, it's all controlled by a fan. So when you're on this setting, this fan is what's controlling the defrost now on the front. So there's some vents up there it's blowing through. So there you can control it that way. You can control whether it's blowing cold or hot. And sometimes even if you have it hot, you still might want the AC activated because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air, so it should keep it from fogging up. Yep, like I said, when you're done, just turn this all the way off, and then that will turn this off. Or you can switch it off of the setting back to something else like this, and there's no defrost. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.